Hello everyone, good evening. This is Khushali Shah and we are here as we all know that I and Parth Shah is coming towards you every week and giving you some or other video for uh, for stress, anxiety or frustration as we have discussed in the earlier video. So today we are here to help you out for some yoga therapy, and as we all know that we are in our parents or our grandparents, as we all know that we are doing yoga one or the other way, but we as a psychology background and as a clinical psychologist, we have observed and specially experienced this type of yoga which we are going to tell you today, and which we are going to tell you in our video that which are the benefits and who cannot do this type of yoga. So let's start. Hello everyone, now again we are here, and the first yoga we are doing here is Kapalbhati. As you already know that in the televisions and in every channels and in regular practice you are doing that, but I am here with some benefits and which you cannot do, like. So as you are seeing, the Parth Shah is doing Kapal Bhati. In this you have to inhale and exhale the breathing process, and which are the benefits. So it aids the digestion, acidity and the gas problem. It helps in your belly fat loss, in forceful breathing which strengthens the lungs and which increases your lungs capacity, increase blood supply. It activates brain cells and improves memory and concentration power. It is very useful for the kids also, that it can help us in the memory and the concentration power. And in this COVID-19 pandemic, it is very much helpful for the immunity system development. It strengthens our immunity. And which are the things, which are the persons who cannot do this type of yoga? So who has done the heart operations like hernia, and the person they can do, but they cannot do until they have done this operations, cannot up to 6 to 8 months. Those who have heart problems but blood pressure issues has to do slowly, and a woman who is expecting a baby cannot do this. Okay, so next yoga we are doing is Anulom Vilom. As you are seeing the posture and the things which Parth Shah is doing, what are the benefits of it? So it treats the snoring, beneficial for arthritis, diabetes can be controlled, manages blood circulation, decrease stress and anxiety, control blood pressure, and this is also the yoga which can develop our immunity stronger. And who persons cannot do so, as I have told earlier, that the woman who is expecting a baby cannot do this, as they don't need to hold the breath for more than 2 seconds. Those who have heart and blood pressure, those persons cannot do. This is the another type of yoga that is called Brahmari yoga. As you all see what Parsha is doing, in this you need to chant the Om from nose. And what are the benefits of it? That it controls the mind, it keeps the brain calm. Actually it is very necessity for us, we need to do it. It increases the migraine, high blood pressure, low blood pressure controls, depression, anxiety and controls. Who cannot do? Who has a heart issues, and as in the earlier videos, that a woman who is pregnant cannot do, and you cannot do for more than 15 or 20 times. This is another type of yoga that is called Udgit yoga. In this, you have to chant the Om mantra. It cures the problem to insomnia, effective against hypertension, relieves tension, anger, and anxiety, improve memory power and concentration. Very much useful for the children who have hyperactive or who cannot sit at one place. Cures problem related to nervous system, and as we can all know that it also helpful for our building immunity stronger. And the persons who cannot do, who have the high blood pressure, low blood pressure or any heart issues or operations, or the expected baby woman cannot do this type of yoga. As we have seen the yoga exercises which Parth Shah has done, now I'm talking about the exercises which is very normal, every individual can do in their regular routine life. If you do not get the time for yoga, so you can regular exercise this very much. And especially in this lockdown, in this COVID-19, as every person, one or the other individual is going to gym or anything, so in this lockdown you cannot go to the gym, so you can exercise it at your place only. So let's see how Parth Shah is doing some exercises.
Start. As you all see that the basic exercise which is jumping, you can do at your home also. Second is running. You can use this at your home also, in your nearby places or at home. This is another type of jumping. This is termed as X. Left, right, left, right. We have already seen this exercises in her school days. Now, push-ups. Don't do push-ups one at a time. You can add on one after another.
So Parth Shah has seen various type of exercises and yoga, which is very beneficial for strengthening our immunity system. As corona, we are hearing the news that corona is affected. So basically corona is affected due to our low immunity system. So we can if we can strengthen our immunity system, we can fight with the corona. And this exercise you can go through in the early morning. It very much enhance the mood, as if we see in the psychology, whenever just for a trial, if you can use it, if you can do this exercise in your morning, your whole day will go good. And thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe.